Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aditi Dikshit and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the embellishment box. Now, before I do the unboxing, I just have to tell you that I have taken a sneak peek of whatever the contents were in the embellishment box. Embellishment box is basically a monthly box of curated jewelry products. So mostly you get a piece of necklace, one pair of earrings, one ring, and mostly a bracelet or any other kind of jewelry that they would prefer you to send, or rather you would prefer to get, because they do have, I guess, a form on their website. All the details I will link down below. And by the way, do you like my nails? Do leave a comment below. So without much ado, we'll just start with the unboxing. So this if I can show, focus, camera focus. Yeah, so this is the kind of packaging that embellishment box come in. If you just open the packet, they have the logo of the embellishment box and da-da-da. So here are the contents of the embellishment box. I really like the satiny cover that they send every time that they send us a box. And mostly this box is like of a pale beige color. Mostly their boxes are of different colors. Like I've seen a pink box, I've seen a red box also. So like you can expect something new every time. So let's dig in the jewelry pieces. The first piece that they have sent is a ring. So all the products that the embellishment box sends are in some kind of a polythene. One feedback that I want to give them is it'll be much better if they put a mesh bag also with it. Mesh bag also with it. Maybe a single mesh bag, or if they can afford all four jewelry pieces in a mesh bag. I'll just show you. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm holding the monopod. That's why the camera is going haywire. But let's see. So I'll show the ring first. So this is the ring. It's a very cute pearl ring. I'll wear it and show you. This is how the ring looks like. I think it's a very contemporary, nice pearl ring. I like the ring. Embellishment box, kudos for this piece. I've seen in one of the videos Deepika Padukone wearing a similar ring. But though she has pearls on both the sides, this has one diamond and one pearl. But anyways, good product. Now the second product that I see here is a bracelet. This is the kind of bracelet. Focus, camera focus, yeah. This is the bracelet that I have. I have had a similar bracelet in silver, which I think I took from some thrift shopping. I'll just open and show you how it looks like. So this is the bracelet. It looks like this. Not bad. I would say could have been better, but like not bad. I'll just wear it and show you as well how it looks like. So this is how the bracelet looks in my hand. Of course, I'm slightly on the heavier side, so I have a heavier wrist also, like a broader wrist also. It's looking, I guess it's looking good. Maybe I'll put it on for the rest of the video. Now the best part that I have here, so the third piece of earring, and the best that I like so far are the earrings. They have given a beautiful, they've given a beautiful set of fringe earrings, chain fringe earrings. They're quite in vogue these days. So this is something that I really like. You can wear it with a black dress, or maybe with black trousers and you know, a black jumpsuit, black trousers. Maybe, what kind of shirt do you think will go with a black trouser and a colored shirt and these? I would go for a beige shirt, black trousers, and these earrings. They would look quite in vogue. What do you think so? Leave a comment down below. And the final piece, which is there in the embellishment box. Sometimes, you know, I feel that whenever like you're waiting for a subscription box to arrive, and then what you get are only 3 or 4 products, though you know that, you know, they are much worth the money for what you're paying, but still, you know, you just start expecting more and more to come, like a box which, you know, is filled with goodies and it never ends. But anyways, just to tell you, embellishment box maybe has like a subscription service where the monthly box is of 1200 bucks. Of course, if you subscribe for a longer time, you can get some discounts. And I am opening the necklace simultaneously, which is tangled up. Just wait. I am trying to, detangle the necklace. This is how the necklace per se looks like. Just a moment. Just be on hold. Just be on hold. That's what you say on the phone. New YouTuber. Yeah, it's detangled. Ooh. Somehow I really like it. Somehow I really like the, these pearls which are there and these stones. The stones are pretty much light blue kind of a color. And these you can see are light pink pearls with fringes down below. They kind of match with the earrings, like the pattern. I would say it's really nice. Like, I don't know. Will I wear this? Will I not wear this? This is kind of, a very occasional wear kind of a necklace. I don't know whether I'll be able to wear it that much, like to, revive its cost, to recover its cost. But any which ways, for 1200 rupees, I guess these earrings, which are very pretty, this bracelet, and the ring, and of course the necklace, they're a pretty good buy, I would say. They have amazing services as well. So they use FedEx courier services. So like if they ship you like today, you most likely get the package by tomorrow day end or something. So like the shipping services, the service partner is pretty good. Also their services, so that like they respond back very quickly to your video. I'm sorry, new YouTuber goofs that are there. I'm sure they are going to this video is more of a blooper video than actual review video, but please bear with me, and I'm sure you'll do. You guys are really sweet to not do that. But yeah, anyways, coming back to the point. So I think that's pretty much value for money. Their services are great. So if you like mail embellishment box for something, some kind of what shall I say, so last month I had a party at my place. It was my husband's birthday, so I had hosted a party, and I was thinking of flashing my baubles, my embellishment box baubles in the party. And I asked them if they could ship it by 12th or 13th of the month, so that I get it by 14th 15th. And they were they obliged me with that. They actually shipped my box a little early. They said we mostly start shipping by 15th, but if you want it before that, we'll actually give it to you before that. And my box actually arrived on, like, I sent them a request on 11. They gave me the box on 13. By 13, the box was delivered at my doorstep, which is great service, guys. Mostly, like, I've seen with certain subscription services, their service actually deteriorates with time. But with embellishment box, till now, and this is the third month that I've subscribed to them. I took a 3-month subscription, which started in December, because this is February. So I guess they have been more than like what I've paid them for. So guys, this was the end of the embellishment box. I would give them like a really good rating. If we are talking of ratings, I don't know why I got rating in my mind, but yeah, I really like the subscription box, and my subscription is ending this month. I'm sure I'm gonna review it from the next month as well, because the pieces that they sent are of really nice quality. If you see, like, the stones and everything, they are very much in place. Even the polish which is there, the gold polish which is there, is pretty good. It's quite good. I hope you can see on the camera as well. I can see here as well. And they try and match the style of your earring to your necklace, or your bracelet and everything. So that's why I kind of like them, because they put a thought into the box. They just don't send certain products and fill the box and send it to you. So that was my review, guys. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, your friend Aditi Dikshit, your new friend. Please do like and subscribe if you like my video. Bye bye.